How to make presentation with Copilot 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can make a presentation with Copilot in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you do want to use Copilot for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. Now, once you're into your Copilot, to make a presentation for yourself, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to give it the relevant prompt. So you're going to write, I want to make a presentation, and you can choose your topic on, let's say, the wonders of the world. And then you can write, please generate a presentation in the form of slides. So everything on Copilot depends on the paraphrasing and prompts you use. And as you can see, you're going to ask it that I want to make a presentation. And first of all, it's going to give you these slides. Okay. So it starts giving you all of these slides. Okay. And it gives you the information regarding these slides. And then you can also ask it to generate image for each slide. Okay, so you can ask it this as well. And once you do this, as you can see, it goes and generates proper images for those slides as well. So now you have the information and you have the generated images. Currently, it's not loading the images because my internet might be slow or the servers at Copilot might be buggy. But as you can see, it does go ahead and start generating images for each slides. And you can just re-add the prompt if it doesn't work. Okay, so simply come over here, paste it, and send it out again. And obviously, it should go ahead and generate the images for you. So that is how you're going to be making presentations with Copilot in 2025. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to use Copilot for yourself, do check the link down in the description below. But yeah, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.